Perfect. So first one is pitch and notation. Okay, just can you hear me clearly? If you can hear me clearly, just give me a thumb up. Am I muted myself? Okay, got it. Okay, we're gonna start now. Okay, first of all, it's pitch and notation. And second is key and scales, and third is rhythm. So last week we quickly just go through the intervals, which is like two notes, the distance between the two notes. Okay, so pitch and notation. So we're gonna quickly go through this one. So this one is the location of middle C. So this is where middle C is, in the middle. Okay, and the question is gonna be like, name this note. Okay, so because this one, oh, somebody's joining. Okay, so this one is a G, because this one is a G clef, and this circle point directly to the G. Okay, why it's called G? Because it's old English words, and this one is the G. Okay, this is how they write down G there. Okay, very nice.
No signs.
Okay, so next one would be the keys and scales. So this one is pretty hard. The only thing you need to know is that if there is nothing in the key signature section here, is C major. If it's one sharp, then it's G major. Okay, it's G major. And if it's one flat in here, this one is called F major. It's called F major. Nice. Okay, and then we got scales of each key. So this one is C major scale. So it's do to another do, which is, oh, somebody's joining. Okay, cool. Okay, everybody's here. Nice. So C major is from C to another C. There's 8 notes in between. So we call it octave. Okay, some of them have already learned this word today, octave. Okay, so there is a specific sound, it's called octave. Okay, it's called octave for the octopus. If that I remember correctly, it's octopus. Okay, that is 8 notes in between, which is from another do to another do, for example. Okay. And this one is G majors. Okay, G majors. G major is from G to another G, but there is one sharp in there. And this one is F major. So it's from F to another F. This is a scale. And there's only one flat, which is flat B here. Cool. And the key circle, this one's for the intermediate and advanced students. You have to memorize everything. So nothing, 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, 4 sharps to 1 flat, 2 flats, 3 flats, 4 flats. That's the circle. Okay. This is a good example. So if there is 1 sharp in here, so big chance it's it's either, let's see, G major or E minor. Sounds good? Okay. So that's everything about the first 3 classes. And on last class, we had something about the intervals. Okay, intervals. interval is about 2 nodes. It's about 2 nodes and the distance between them. Okay, if it's second or first or second or third or fourth or fifth or seventh or octave. Okay, that's intervals. Okay, so we're gonna quickly do a test for everybody. So get ready to answer the questions and then answer that in the chat box, but only to the private chat to me, to myself. Okay, to myself. Okay, if you want to try, just type anything like there. We can check if everything's fine. Perfect. That's a direct message. Nice. Let's begin now. Okay, can you see my screen clearly? Okay, everybody got it. So first question. The first question, this one is online test, okay? So how to complete? So the first one is determine the size of this interval, which is first or second or third, and then click the menu and then choose the answer. And now I'm gonna click this menu. So what is an interval between them? Okay, answer this question in the chat box. It's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, or 8. Okay, which one is that? Okay. Yeah, type your question in the chat box and direct message directly to me. Very good. I can see the answers. Okay. The answer is third. So you have to count this one on it. Count this one within the intervals. It's 1, 2, and 3. So this one's 3. Okay, this one's 3. This is size. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, determine the tonic type of this scale. Okay, let's just quickly take a look at it. The answers in here. The scale is, so it starts from which one is going to be which one. Okay, so you have to take a look at it. The first one, which is, what is this one? You can write an answer in here. Okay, very nice. This one is, think about it. So first of all, this one is a G flat, which is treble clef. Okay, G is right in here. So what is G is right in here? Okay, so after G is what? Think about it. Right. Now everybody got it. Oh, sorry. So the answer is A. So we're gonna skip this one because this one is kind of a little bit hard for the rudimentary level. So it is ascending or descending. Ascending means going up. Descending means going down. So it's A or D. Yeah, right. Ascending. Nice. If it's going up, it's ascending. If it's going down, it's descending. So this one apparently is going up. See, this trend is going up here to the sky. So that's ascending. Okay. And it's major or minor. Okay, intermediate or advanced level, you can just answer this question. So it's major or minor. If it's major, you can just type M or I'm A, or if it's minor, it's gonna be I'm I. So can you just, yeah, type this one. It's major or minor. How do you do that, intermediate and advanced students? So take a look at the first three notes. If they are major third, and then it's major. It's minor third, then it's minor. From A to the C, this not sharp C. This one's C, regular C. Right. So you got this one minor. If it's one, for example, this one's sharp in here, that is a major. Got it? Okay, that's for the intermediate and advanced students. Okay, so this one is minor. Okay, the letter A is, so what is tonic? What is dominant? And what is neither? So tonic is the first one, it's called tonic. And the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is called dominant. Is this one tonic or dominant or neither? If you can type N, it means neither. Okay, C, cool, nice. It's neither because this one is in the third position. So 1, 2, 3. So it's not the first one, which is called tonic, and it is not the fifth one, which is called dominant. Okay, so letter B. Quickly answer this one. Is tonic or dominant or neither? Everybody correct? Nice. Because this one's the fifth one. There's no why, because the fifth one is called dominant. That's why. Okay, that's fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's 5, so it's dominant. Right. First one is called tonic, and the fifth one is called dominant. So you can just count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 5. 5 in English, in musical English, is called dominant. That's it. This one is today's thing. We're gonna skip this one. Okay, we're gonna skip this one. This one too. Okay, perfect. So the bar line thing, we have learned measure. Okay, measuring here. Okay, we have learned measure, which is the space between two bar lines. This is one bar line, this is another bar line, the space between them, okay? You need to count the beats according to the time signature. So the time signature we can see is 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, okay? 3, 2, 4 in here. So that means in each measure, we have 2 beats. Okay, so answer this question. Select the example that has correctly placed the bar lines. So which one is correct? A or B or C? Okay, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so correct answer is B. Everybody's correct. Everybody's correct. Cool. So this one's 1 and 2. 2 beats. Okay, this one's 1 and 2. 2 beats. And this one is 2 beats. Everybody's 2. So this one is B. And what is time signature in here? The first one or second one? Just write down in here, A or B. Same thing, yeah. 5 seconds, count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the answer is B. Why? Because 2 means this 2, the top 2 means 2 beats in one measure. Okay, 2 beats in one measure. You can count it if this each measure got 2 beats. This is 1, it's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can choose this one. Okay? This one's 2 beats, this one's 2 beats. So everything is 2. So 2, 4. This one we're not gonna answer this question. Okay, that's the next one is okay, perfect. So this one is MF, means what? Means become louder or detached or moderately loud or soft or repeat A, B, C, D, E. So which one is that? Yeah, we're gonna go directly. Okay, we're gonna fly through. This one's moderate loud. Moderate loud. Okay, this one is what? Staccato, right? So it means staccato. This one's dot. So you play very short and sharp. And this one is what? Some of you have already studied this one before today. So this one is repeat. And this one's getting louder, getting softer. Which one is that? Louder or softer? Louder. And last one. Last one is soft or loud or something else. P means piano. Quiet. Soft. Very good. Wait, what is that? Which of the following is not a color? Oh my God, why is that question here? Which one is not the month of the year? It's very weird. Okay, let's look at this question. That is in the everything's here. Okay, we're gonna do this one together. We're gonna do this one together. Okay, so to save some time. So the time signature of this piece is what? So we're gonna see each one. So we're gonna choose this measure. Okay, each measure would be the same. So that is definitely the unit. Is the bottom one is 4, and then the top one is 2. Okay, so we can see the top one is 2, and then the bottom one is 4 because it's already there. It's right in here. Okay, you just copy that to your answer. So it's 4, 2. So the sun at the letter A is short for piano. Okay, this one, let's just quickly take a look at it. This one, this box is a small p in here. So we just did this one before. So it means A, soft, softly or loud. Slowly or loud. So which one is that? Piano means soft. Okay, letter B is a slur. Slur is right in here. Okay, slur. They connect different notes. So if it's same note, it's called tie. Okay, do we have a tie in here? No. Okay, that means a slur. It means play detached or play quickly or play smoothly. So that's smoothly. Okay, then smoothly. That is also called legato. Some of you already studied today. It's called legato. And the letter C, let me check. Letter C, okay, that's a rest. Okay. So letter C is what kind of rest in here? Okay. It's a quarter rest. See? That's a C, and this one is a quarter rest. Count for 1 beat. Okay, this is the one, this is another one. So that's 1 beat. 1 beat is a quarter. Okay, it's either a quarter note or quarter rest. Letter D is crescendo. Okay, crescendo is getting louder or getting softer. louder. That's crescendo. So crescendo means this thing, okay? It means this thing. We just did this one before, okay? Means this. Okay, how many beats does the rest at the letter E get? Let's see. Where is okay? This one. This one is hand up on the line. So hand up on the line. It means rest for the whole semester. Okay, how many beats in one? Rest in the whole measure. Okay. So how many beats in this measure? Let's see. That's 2. That is how many beats in one measure? That 2 means 2 beats in each measure. So we're gonna choose what? 2. Good. And the sign at F, the letter F is right. What is this? Everybody knows this one. So each class, I just yes, very good. I can see the answer in here. So it's treble, clef, very nice. Treble, clef. Right. And the letter G. Let's see, where's the letter G? Here we go. Those 2 notes. I wonder what kind of question that in here. The notes at letter G, okay, is moved by step or skip or is the same. Okay, let's take a look at it. So this one is step or skip from a space to another space. Okay, you can answer this question now. Yeah, step or skip? Okay, we can see different answers in here. Now take a look at it again. From a space to another space is skip. Because you skip the line here. Here. There should be another note in here. Right? They skipped it. Skip it. Skip this one. Skip this G and from this one to another one. That's called skip. But if from line to another space in here, they're connected, this one is called step. So the answer is skip. Okay, how many beats does the note at letter H get? Letter H is here. Yeah, how many beats in here? Just type the answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is that? Two beats. The sign at letter I is, okay, this one's getting softer or getting louder? So it's going smaller, smaller, smaller. Yes, it's getting softer. Or it's called decrescendo, okay? Crescendo means louder and decrescendo means getting softer. Okay, that's it. That's everything about the it's about this one. Okay, now we're gonna do some very quick ear training and then we're gonna move directly to the advanced level. Okay, so we're gonna do very easy, very basic training in here and take a look at them. So those are the classes that as a teacher that I got all the classes of the RCM. we can see there are a lot of ear training sessions, and take a look at the level 9 and level 10 things. I know that some of you are gonna take those classes, okay, take those exams. So I have the history level 9 or history level 10. So those are the mandatory exam in the theory exam. Okay, so if you need to use those kind of softwares, you need to use those classes, just let me know, okay? Yeah, and I have a lot of like theories, theory 5, 6, 7, 8 in here. Yeah, if you want to just do some trainings or something like that, just let me know. Okay, so let's do a very quick ear training. Okay, let me know if you can hear that clearly. Okay, let's do the practical. Yeah, let's start now. Wait, oh, sorry, that's a theory. Okay, it's weird. Here. Let's take a look at the classes. Yeah, sometimes it's very complicated to log in. So it's gonna could be happening in your exam too. Could happen in your exam too. So take a look at them, okay? If you have any trouble like logging into your account or something like that, just let me know, okay? Let's go through a mixed one today. Okay, ready? Ready to answer the questions in here, okay? Okay, let's take a look at this one. Listen to this melody and you will hear one measure from the basic beat and then the melody twice. Okay, this, you know what, let's just skip this one because you have to record it at home. Okay, you have to record it at home. So we don't have this material today, so we're gonna skip this one. Okay, now this one, listen to the melody and you will hear one measure of the basic beat and then the melody twice. Okay, and choose the correct answer that you have already heard. So you have probably 5 to 10 seconds to take a look at them. Okay, which part are different? Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at them together. So different part is in here. This is the one. Okay, so listen to this one carefully, especially in this beat. In this beat. So which one is going to be A or B? Let's go. Okay, type your answer in here. Listen carefully this time, okay? Okay, so the answer is B. Is da 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 da, and then da, 4 beats in here. So the answer is B. This one is the rhythm. Okay, just test your rhythm. Okay, let's keep going to the next one. This one's also recording, and then we're not gonna do this. Another recording. Okay, so pitch. Listen to this pattern of 4 notes. It will be played twice, so select the correct notation that you have already, that you can hear, okay? So it's like this or like this. So I'm gonna draw a line here. This one is from lower to the higher and then plateauing there. And this one is going up, down, up. Okay, listen to the pitch. Listen to like how high this note, well, those notes are. Okay, let's listen to it. Everybody's correct? Great. This one is the same. Listen to it. This one is going up and plateau, or is going up and then down. Okay, listen to this one carefully and answer the question. Everybody's correct. It's A. This one's oh, let me check. Pass is easier. Okay. Chords, we have not been there yet. It's gonna be the laters, okay? Last one. Let's do the last question and then we're gonna move to the next one, okay? Okay, let's do this one as the last one. Same thing, okay? Again. Very nice. Everybody's correct. So finally, we can say that you have already got very good grade in your the first 3 and 4 chapters in this whole sessions, which is very good, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing here, and then we're gonna go to this next one, which is today we're gonna go to the course, if I remember correctly. Yes. Here. Today is going to be transposition. Sorry, not chord. Chord is going to be next class. Okay. Transposition. Transposition is kind of like easier if you understand that. You just transfer from one pitch and the whole scale up or getting down to another one. But you have to consider some of these sharps and then flats is going to be changing. Okay, it's going to be changing there. So that's called transposition. It's very easy if, for example, if, yeah, we're gonna use this one as an example, okay? If you want to transpose this one, E, F, G, A, B, C, to another one, like, for example, like a 1 octave higher, then you find the E, and you find the E right in here. Okay. Yeah, that's everybody. Now you can see that, right? Yeah, I think it's it's something wrong with the system in there. Okay, got it. So transposition is you transpose. For example, this one is from E to C, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, is transpose this one to another one. For example, like one octave higher is going to be transposed from this one to A, B, C, E in here, right? E, F, G, and then A, and then B, and then C. Okay, that's called transposition. You just move this one to a higher or lower level according to the request. That's called transposition. Okay, that's everything about the rudimentary level. That's everything about the rudimentary level. Okay. And then the rest of us are going to be staying here to do some intermediate and then advanced level. Okay, we're gonna just do some questions, and this one's down, and we're gonna share my screen again to here. Okay, if you want to go rudimentary level students, you can go. Okay, yeah, it's time to go. Yeah, because the rest of them are going to be very hard. Okay, let's start from level 5. Always the same. Okay, scales and key signatures. We're going to start to do this one. Okay, major keys and minor keys, and then we're going to do the practice exams. Okay, and you were gonna answer this question to me. Okay, so if there is a scale look like this, there will be no time signature or no key signature in front of it. Okay, there's no key signature in front of it, right? So you need to identify which key is this, which key is this. First, you have to choose one, start from which one is which. Okay, start from C, then this one is either C major or C minor. Okay, it's definitely not C major, right? It's definitely not C major because we got a lot of sharps and we got a lot of flats in here. Okay, now take a look at it and answer this question to me. Okay, answer this question to the chat box. Which one is that? A, B, C, or D? Okay, I think this one can be very, 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 very basic knowledge for the intermediate and then the advanced level. Okay, this one is very rudimentary, very, very easy for you because you play the the natural or harmonic or melodic minors all the time. Think about it. It's definitely not melodic. Melodic is something. Sometimes it's flat. Sometimes it's natural. But this one is definitely not melodic. So it's either natural or harmonic. Okay, so if it's harmonic, this one should be a natural one. Okay, this one should be nothing there. If it's a natural, because if you just think about the keyboard and think about the one that you have already played, da 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 da. This one should be a little bit higher than this one because this one is called subtonic, but we want it to be leading tone. Leading tone means minor second, and this one is not minor second. This one's major second, so it's definitely not natural. So it's definitely not harmonic. The correct answer is natural. So yeah, this one is very, very important. Okay, now this one, take a look at it and answer the question in here. Okay, which one should be? Start from A, so it's either A minor or A major. Okay. If it's a major, A major always got 3 sharps. This is only 1. So definitely not major. Okay, so this one we got a sharp in here. A minor's major, A minor's relative major is C major. C major got nothing. If it's a natural form, it got nothing. But this one got one thing in here. One sharp, one accidental in here. So it's definitely not natural. Melodic is complicated. Melodic is 6 and 7s going up, and then when you get down, go back to the natural form. Okay, so this one is definitely not melodic. So the correct answer is harmonic. Okay, we're down with the scales. Okay, let's keep going to the next thing. Okay, if you see, this one's a very good example. If you see some of these sharps and then back in here, a lot of natural or something like that, if they are not the same thing, that basically means it's melodic. Okay, that's easy. C major. Okay, a parallel minor of A major is what? So this one's A or major or minor. Okay, which one is the parallel minor of the A major? Okay, another one is called the relative. Okay, relative minor of the A major or parallel minor of the A major is what? So it's A major. Take a look at it here. It's A major. So what do you want to write in here? So that this one's definitely minor, right? Because it's already tell you it's minor here. Okay. The answer is A minor. The answer is A minor because this one is called parallel. Parallel means same name. A major, same name, minor is A minor. That's it. If it's relative minor of the A major is what? You count down 3. It's sharp F or F sharp minor. That's parallel. Think about it is key circle, okay? Key circle, that's relative. Okay. The relative, okay, good. The relative minor of the F major is what? So it's definitely a minor in here? Sure. And F major's relative minor is which one? Okay, so F major, you need to count down, not count up. So it's not F, G, A. Okay, but it's going down, it's F, E, and then D, D, E, F, right? So count down there. So relative minor of the F major is D minor. Okay. Okay, this one identify the scale, degree, name of this note. Okay, assume this one is a minor key. Assuming this one is a minor key, this one's very important. So if 2 sharp, that means what is D? Sorry, what is a major? Very good. So this one is, if 2 sharps, and then it's gonna be D major, but it's a minor. So we'll think about it, D major's relative minor. Okay, so this one we know that 2 sharps is D major. Count down 3 is B minor. Okay, and B, where's B? B is right in here. Okay, so select one that is what is the degree of this one? Okay, that one means 1. Subtonic means 2. No, sorry, 4. Dominance means 5. Subtonic and leading tone, they are all 7s. Think about this one. So what is the distance between this one and this one? So it's either subtonic or leading tone, right? Because that's this. No, you cannot count down there. That's not 2. That's not 2. So it's definitely going up. Count down going up, okay? So count if this one and B, are they subtonic or leading tone? Leading tone is minor, second, and then subtonic. Yeah, that one is subtonic because that's a major second. That's a major second. It's not leading tone. Leading tone is minor second, right? They're all the 7s. Okay, that's the scales and the key signature. Okay, intervals is going to be in all of the exams from level 5 through level 10. Okay, everybody's going to take this one. Okay, this one. Okay, chromatic half step or diatonic half step or whole step. What is diatonic and what is the chromatic? Which one is the same? D means different. Yes. Okay, are they the different note or the same note? If it's chromatic scale half step, how should write it? I'll just write it down for you, okay? It's probably flat C. Flat C. They are the same thing. So that's chromatic half step. Okay? If there are different notes, because those two are exactly the same. Flat A equal to B. They are the same. Okay? Only different writing here. So this one is diatonic. Okay? This one's the same. We're not gonna do this one anymore. This one is chromatic. You know that. This one chromatic, diatonic. That's whole step. Sorry, that one is. Yeah, it's all the same questions in here. Cool. So this one, name this interval. Okay. Yeah, let's do this one. Which one is that? Just remember there is a sharp in here, okay? There's a sharp. Major third. So first of all, we need to take a look at it. Is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The distance between them is 3. So that is definitely 3. Not other options. Without any options in here. It's a 3. Definitely a 3. Okay, so it's going to be a sharp in there. Okay, it's a sharp there. That means either major third or minor third. So if there's no sharp in there, E and G, if you can just listen to it, it's a minor. And with a sharp, the distance got bigger, so this one is a major. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, do one more. Name this interval. So first of all, into counties. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is here. There's only one option for 5. But you know that in the future, after level 8, there will be augmented and then diminished. Okay, you have to consider the augmented and diminished into this interval thing. Okay? Easy. Let's see if we have some other type of the question. Okay, if you see 2 flats or 2 sharps in there, so you can do what? Remove them. Okay, and let's just do this one. Yeah, just cancel that. Okay, let's just count this one first. Okay, let's count this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's either major 6 or minor 6. It's major or minor? It's minor, because after B there is there's no gap between C this one and C. Okay, so that's minor. If you can just play this one on your piano and listen to it. Okay, listen to it. This is how we determine which one is which. Okay, this one's easy. I think that's everything about intervals. Okay, that's everything about intervals. Okay, very easy questions about the rhythmic and meterly thing. So we're not gonna do that anymore. The only thing you need to take a look at those is the rest. Okay, is the rest. Let's just take a look at the one rest in here. Okay, let's take a look at the one rest. Okay. So which one should be used? Okay. So which one should be this one or this one? So which one is correct? Okay. Do you remember that we have 3 rudimentary levels things, 3 very basic rules? The first one is strong can cover weak, but weak cannot cover strong. Okay. This is exactly the same thing. So this is this. Strong is right in here. It's 4-2. Strong, and then you have to split this one thing into 2 because the weak cannot cover the strong. And this one, weak is right in here. So weak need to be written by itself. Same thing with the eighth and same thing with the half. Okay, they are the same, especially the half. Half, if you see the 2 in there, you have to write down like this. Okay, you have to split them into half. Okay, let's take a look at the questions. Let's do one REST related question. Okay, cool. So which one is correct? Complete this one. Just think about it. There's something around weak or strong beat involved in here. So A or B? So the bottom is eighth. The bottom is eighth. That means we can split this measure into two. Okay, split this measure into two. Okay, there must be something there that's a strong, and there's something in here should be weak. Is a weak can cover strong? I mean, if there's something in here, this one is going to be the weak one, okay? Because they have already put the strong and the weak together. The weak is right in here. Is weak can cover the strong in here? No, they cannot. They have to split this measure into two. I write down this part right in here. So the correct answer is B. Oh, sorry. Here. Okay. That's basically everything about today. Let's take a look at, yeah, this is the same thing. It's a 4-4B. Okay, this one, A or B. Quick answer this one. This one, A or B. This one easy. 4-4. Okay, 4-4. A or B. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording here and answer this question.